Brent, thank you for joining us today. We're at the One-to-One conference in New York. Tell us a little bit about the company.
So NextSource Materials has a very advanced graphite project in Madagascar. We are feasibility stage, fully permitted, and we're now at the mine pre-construction stage. So we're looking for $21 million. CapEx puts us into production at 17,000 tons, and we are able to get in production within 9 months of funding. So we're quite advanced, quite excited, and we're finally at the end of the rope where we can now just look for the project financing.
So that project financing, have you got a sort of time frame that you're looking to try and get that in place?
Well, we just released to the market 2 weeks ago our updated definitive feasibility studies. We've now done 3, so 2015, 2017, now 2019, and that has actually updated our costs so that they're within plus or minus 10%. We waited for that information to come out. Now we're ready to approach the funds, private equity with that brand new information. So that now confirms our costs. We're very robust economics, and we're able to present that to the market.
And how are you finding the markets of commodities at the moment?
It's tough. We are a battery material as well as a traditional material, so graphite kind of balances both the traditional steel market as well as is one of the largest inputs into lithium-ion batteries, but it seems right now that the markets for the electric vehicle are exciting, but they're not quite here, so the markets have been timid. I think the explosion, I guess, 2 or 3 years ago of the lithium, cobalt, graphite as well, has fatigued a lot of investors. So at this time right now it is a difficult market, but again, the projects that are well developed, fully permitted, have the numbers to back them up, will succeed, and we're definitely one of those projects.
Super. The One-to-One event, how's that been for you?
It's always a good good conference. This is our 4th or 5th one we've attended, so we get to go in front of very good funds, buy-side funds, tell our story, get it out there. So it's either open market buying, and for us just to get the story out there, it's really to position ourselves amongst those buyers to say, hey, who's the real projects, who's advanced? We have offtakes in place for all of our production, and these are the things that we need to get out there to the market because some of these funds don't realize how advanced we really are.
And those offtakes are very important entities, aren't they?
They're critical for graphite, so we don't trade, graphite doesn't trade in the LME, so it's a direct relationship with the buyer. And projects that do get funded and need to be funded are the ones that are obviously permitted, have robust economics, but you have to have offtakes, and they have to be with quality projects and quality companies that will take your product, and we have those in place.
And they're tier 1?
They're tier 1, yeah. So we have a German one that we're negotiating in the final stages, and we've already announced to the market a leading Japanese battery company that supplies major electric vehicle companies both in the United States and in Europe.
So very exciting times ahead. Thanks for your time today.
Thank you very much.